If you're a beauty creator looking to monetize your recommendations, you've probably looked into the My Sephora storefront platform or their affiliate program. Instead of forcing you to use traditional messy affiliate links, this specific program lets you build your own personalized shoppable digital storefront featuring your exact beauty picks. The pricing is completely free. There is no fee to apply or host your page. Once you are accepted into the Sephora storefront program, you earn a direct commission on every single sale you drive through your customized page, backed by real-time performance analytics. So the honest breakdown is that it is an incredible upgrade if you've already have an active trusting audience on TikTok or Instagram who constantly ask for your routine, because it streamlines the buying process under the massive Sephora brand name. However, the catch is that custom storefront won't magically bring in traffic on its own. You still have to do the heavy lifting of creating engaging content to get people to visit your link. So if you want to join, just go to creators.sephora.com and then just go ahead and apply and fill up all these fields. So basically, that's it.